Hi and welcome to my channel. I know I'm doing this after really long. Well, today I'm going to show you a difference between my faux scalp, my sans couture and my crown topper, how you can wear it, how you can do multiple hairstyles with these, and I'm also going to show you how to install faux highlights. No, we are not making toppers with highlights, but we are just clipping our faux highlights onto it. That's also something I'm going to show how it's done. First thing first, I'm going to start with our faux scalp. Now faux scalp is 2 inches wide like this and 6 inches wide, longer from starting from your hairline till your crown area. How you need to clip these. So you also ask if we can change the parting. So for example, if this is my center part, since it's not so wide, it's only 2 inches wide, we first make our parting and then just clip this one. This is a lace based topper, but still, even if you section from another side, it looks like your own scalp, hence it's called faux scalp. And you may add that option of cutting layers to this, where we add that layers and give it to you. So this is my faux scalp. If you are balding from your hairline till your crown area, no matter how wide the patch is, until unless the patch is going somewhere here, but this one covers till you may see. And if you need to tie it piche karke and not show the parting at all, then you hold it from front and then comb it backwards like this. So a little bit would be still there, but still if you have some hair of your own, you cover with that like this and then tie. This is how you can conceal. I'm wearing my faux scalp starting from here till my crown area, 6 inches, do remember. And this is how it can be tied into a ponytail. Covers everything, but yeah, provided you have some hair to cover the topper with. So, and if I section it again, faux scalp can be seen. So this was one. Another, I'm just going to show you how you may clip your faux highlights to any of your toppers. So since we are starting with faux scalp, I'm going to clip one onto my faux scalp. You can see. And then this clip must go in. Clip it, cover with your topper ka hair, and this is what will end up looking like. You see, so this is something you can do with any topper. So now a lot of you also said that we cannot change the parting. No, you can. So if this was the center, I have made the parting to its side and clipped my faux highlights on both the sides. You can clip one piche also. So I'm just going to add one more. So here I have more highlights. So this one, because I've made the parting to its left side, first I'll make my own section, a clean section, and then just clip this one in. So you see the highlighted effect, it looks so real. It feels a bit heavy, not on my own scalp but on the topper, because there are two additional clips, and this is what it looks like. It has so much of volume. It gives you kind of, after faux scalp, this is on second number in terms of coverage. This is 5 into 5, and then comes our crown topper. This is made on Indian silk base. You can also tie this one into a ponytail, make hairstyles, add faux highlights. All of that is possible with our sans couture. Why I named it sans couture? Sans couture in French means seamless. So the front is really seamless. You can never tell that from front. You can see if it's a topper or if it's your actual scalp. So this is our sans couture, the one which gives the maximum coverage and is longest amongst all our toppers. This is 20 to 24ish inches. So we say 20 to 22 because sometimes it's longer, sometimes it's between 20 to 22. Depends on the kind of hair I source. So you open these clips This is our 8x6. This is made on mono lace. Faux scalp is made on lace base, and our Sans Couture is made on Indian silk base. All three of these are not French silk base but other kinds of bases which also look really natural. So how you clip your crown topper is, so if this is my parting, I'm just gonna clip this one in right here. This is the crown topper. It's fully mono lace base. Wherever you section from, it will look like your own scalp. And I'll tell you the reason why I've tied my hair and worn this. So a lot of people think कि अगर हमारे छोटे बाल हैं और ऊपर से हम ये पहन लेंगे तो हमारी लेंथ बढ़ जाएगी. But you need to realize it's only 8 inches wide. It's not a wig. So पीछे अगर आपके बाल छोटे हैं तो बीच में से दिख सकते हैं. You realize? So this will add to your existing longer hair, and if you have shorter hair you can chop this. But in terms of coverage, it will give you the maximum coverage, which is 8x6 inches, which you can measure. So I thought this looks much nicer if it has front layers, which I wanted to cut. And now I'll open my hair. It looks like it is longer than my hair. So if I had to wear, or you had to wear, a topper with this kind of length, I would suggest थोड़ा सा chop कर लेना. Don't be so greedy, because खुद के बाल भरने में थोड़ा वक्त लग जाता है. But yes, this one looks really nice. It's very similar to our wigs, this base. So these were a few of my toppers, which I think I hadn't made a detailed video on. Well, with our crown topper, it is kind of easy to tie your hair like this. It's kind of the most easiest one when it comes to tying your hair with your crown topper. You can make a bun too, so that's possible. So these are few of my toppers which you saw. If you want to know anything else, just leave it in the comments below, and please like, share and subscribe, and tell your friends if they are losing hair to just subscribe to Nish Hair.